idling at 100 decibels. 90 up to 100 decibels at idle. Otherwise, it's going to hit when he revs it up, you know. Hiya, mate.
Hiya.
Do you know who owns that white M6?
It's a grey M6.
Someone said it was really loud.
It is fairly loud, yeah.
Well, I've got a decibel meter. Woo! I'm trying to see if something can max out at 130. The Camaro over there can't do it. You reckon yours can?
Well, we'll give it a go, eh?
Awesome. It's at 100 already. You've only got to go up 30 more. 120. It's the highest one today.
Is it?
Yeah.
Fine if you want. See what I wouldn't mind.
Yeah. Go for it, yeah.
It's an M-Performance exhaust, but it's
Yeah.
got sports cats in it as well.
Yeah, so it should be pretty noisy, yeah. And
failed the noise test at,
Alton Park.
at Alton Park with the standard exhaust, with just the
Oh,
M-Performance
wow.
on when it was totally standard.
Yeah, you get one of these out, don't you, at the start before you go on. 107 idling then. 121.
121.
Oh, it's one above. Oh, it's on now, isn't it? You can let him have it.
He can have it. Nice one,
Yeah,
mate.
awesome. Have a good day, guys.
It's grey, by the way.
Grey. I'll remember that in the description. Suzuka Grey. Cheers, guys. He's got the loudest car here, do you reckon?
Oh, it's you probably. Probably mine, yeah.
Yeah, well, I've been going round with this. It's a decibel meter. I'm trying to find the loudest car at the show. Best of the day was 121 off an M3 with sports cats. $105, mate. Sounds good. I love these, mate. The colour as well. Is it Nardo Grey?
Nardo, yeah.
Yeah. This one as well. 101. 100. There you go. You beat by I think 4 decibels.
What was his then?
100, 104, yeah, that's it. I think without...
It's got soft limit, so you can only go to 4,000. It's just like... yeah.
Wow. Lovely motor, mate. Is it noisy? Over 100 decibels, that. Oh, mate. Oh, yeah, sorry to bother you. I'm looking for the loudest car here.
Oh, yeah, probably this one.
Yeah, do you reckon? We got 121 decibels, 4 from an M3. Loudest car of the day, mate.
Is it?
Well done, well done. 123 decibels.
You put it on my Instagram.
Yeah. Noisy Cupra. Definitely noisy, mate. Well done. Cheers for that, pal.